Doesn't matter what level you're at. It is completely beginner. Assuming you've never danced before, never saw a ballroom, come on out and you're gonna learn the basics. So.
เรามาเราไปเดี๋ยวที่ห้องหน้าจะเปิดเนี่ยจะชี้แนะที่ชีเราเป็นนักเรียนชั้นเกิดบ้านบ้าแล้วเป็นเราเนาะโอเควันนั้นเที่ยวที่นี่วันนั้นเที่ยวคอมเมนต์
老大呢？
那有没有这个 professional？
Zhang Heng.
OK。
We need some guys.
Okay, guys over this side. Okay, guys. Over this side.
Guys that dance, the girls like to dance with the guys that know how to dance.
Guys over here.
Remember guys, this is beginner. Assuming you know nothing. Very, very simple. If you can drink water or walk to down the streets, you can dance.
Catalina, Shane is a professional dancer. And this guy that come over here, this side, the guy that will stay over there. If you stay over there, then you're a lady. So guy over here.
Alright guys, come over here. And look at all the guys out here. So any other guys that have been sitting?
Alright, any more guys? Come over here, the guy over here.
Alright, there we go. Now they're all coming. You see everywhere else is coming out here. So now they say, alright, I'm here. Okay, good. You guys are going to be glad you came out. So.
Oh, more.
It is the hipster move. The hipster move.
Can I still join?
The hipster move. But it's the legs that do all the work. So we're going to start you off with box step. So Chua and I will demonstrate the box step. 1 second.
Okay. Box step. Okay, lên chia lại, lên chia lại, ở từng one. Slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. That's the box, okay? All right.
Thank you. Give Chua a round of applause.
All right.
Okay, great. So, guys, you just copycat me. So, ladies, you can copycat us as well. Ladies start on their right foot because ladies are always right. You guys guys, you get a lead, but she's right. All right.
She always the right.
Okay.
Man always the leader.
Yeah. All right. So we're just gonna step forward on our left. Ladies gonna step back on the right. And it's gonna be side together, and then you guys are gonna step back on the right. Ladies step, and everyone steps side together.
Okay, Shane, yeah, it's the longer mic.
Oh, longer mic. Okay. Don't hang.
Okay. All right.
Very good. All right. So here we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, slow, quick, step, side together, step, side together, step, side together, slow, 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 side together. Slow side together. Now, we're going to teach you a new move. All right?